Alright, just going to do a short clip today. Well, probably won't be that short. I put a water pump snoot assembly in on a 1083. KSH has got it. I get it from Worthington Egg. Saves about $80. It's just cast iron and a water pump bearing. I don't think it's anything special what Worthington's got or KSH has got, but $80 is $80, so that's how that happened. So just kind of show you segments through it and how it goes. There's just 4 bolts you take out down here. Up in there. I got one out already. Got to get the other 3. And then pull the snoot out, swap some parts, and I'll kind of show you as we go through it. All right, so I got it off pretty quick. Good time to check over your back hub, make sure it's still square, not almost round like half the things are. And you got to kind of torch a little bit of the rivet out here, because you basically got to pound that through there, coming out of the old one. And you get a little bit of anti-seize on the new one there, and I just have to Scotch-Brite this. And yeah, lots and lots of anti-seize. Check your shaft, the corn head, which is good. So I'll reassemble it, show you what it looks like reassembled, and then we'll move to the final installation. Just a note, kits never come with these damn rivets, so if you destroy them, you destroy them, but make sure you can go get the new ones. Then you'll also find out that the dealers don't usually have the cocksuckers on hand because they tell you to reuse them. So be nice to them when you heat them and take them out, and make sure you sand that shaft, because someday, God forbid, you have to take the son of a bitch apart again. You're gonna hate life, because that old one did pound off just a little bit harder than I liked. So stay tuned and we'll check it out in a few seconds when I start it up again. Alright, so got it all sanded, pounded together. Put some anti-seize on everywhere, or I call it the silver savior, because if you ever gotta take the shit apart, you're gonna hate life. So anti-seize there, anti-seize in the bolt holes. If you're a millennial, you have to go to your comfort zone and use a damn grease gun. Put some grease inside the stinking tube, it'll help you out. Putting shit together dry and not greasing, and that's a thing that makes repairs worse and more frequent. So I'll kind of get this all staged up back together, and then kind of finish up the video. Once again, go down underneath there and check your shaft to make sure it's square, or if your seal's leaking. This one's not really leaking, but the shaft is definitely square, so that's a good thing. And then move on from there. I'll tell you one thing, this little stripper plate here that keeps your shit from wrapping is definitely going to have to move, so I'll probably move that and then show the follow-up on the end of the video. Alright, so we got it all back together here. I had to put a bolt in instead of a, I don't know, they got like a little square head screw that you're supposed to use. I forgot. They don't include the stuff in the kit. Rivets would be nice in the kit. That bolt would be nice. Nobody does it. Doesn't matter if it's Case IH, Worthington, probably nobody does. But you get it all in, everything looks pretty decent, fits good. Look a whole lot different. So this is a Worthington aftermarket one. This is one we put in 2 years ago from Case IH. You know, not really any difference. Everything like the meat on the casting and everything looks about the same. I've been told actually that Worthington and a few other dealers actually can get access to the same casting or same foundries as each other, so it's just price. So that's done. Everything looks pretty good. With this shimmed up a little bit. One bolt in the back here is a little bit difficult to get to upper corner, so long 3/8 tension, 1/4 inch rat socket, and maybe disassembly swivel on an impact's pretty handy, and then you're good to go. As far as the parts, you just use, like I said, Worthington parts. This one here is a right hand. You have your right hand stock roll cone assembly. And you're good to go. So I'm just gonna check the oil in the gearboxes. That's the last maintenance thing to do. Readjust the combine, and then this afternoon I think we're gonna go combine some corn.